get more meat.
Just meat.
Wow, tengok ni betapa lembut dia daging dia. Masya Allah.
2.9. Dalam range, kalau lebih 1 kilo RM34. Masih baik dalam range. Alright, masih tiket dah dapat, baru dapat. So it's time to move. See you back in Dhaka. Okay, check in selesai. Sekarang nak pergi solat subuh. Okay, sebelum tu kita tengok dulu apa ada kat ni. Masih dalam semangat Merdeka 62 untuk Tanah Melayu. Dan suasana begitu pack di pagi hari di KLIA. And then dia punya counter. Okay, tadi aku try check in kat counter ujung, rasanya counter A dan B rasanya. Tapi dia dah tukar untuk MAS domestik saja. Aku pun dengan confidentnya masuk, cuma tengok besar kat atas tu kata dia dah jadi domestik. So aku ke counter H untuk international. So dah selesai lah, cepat queue, counter banyak buka. That's the best thing kalau naik dengan Malaysia Airlines. Okay, aku nak pergi cari surau solat subuh. Dekat KLIA ada 3 tempat untuk escalator. Okay, ada 3 escalator untuk ke international gate. Satu dekat belah McDonald, satu dekat tengah-tengah, satu dekat ke arah KFC kat ujung sana. So boleh, so you can see how this GoPro Hero 7 Black perform in low light condition. Jadi macam ni. So kena scan dulu kat sini. Passport and scan. So dia pakai sistem detection muka je. Right. Alhamdulillah dah selesai scan dekat kaunter custom. Sekarang menuju ke gate G. Then we have to walk to counter G for this. Dah nak sampai. Haze masih teruk kat luar, masih tebal. The haze is pretty bad today. Okay guys, aku dah sampai dekat G6. Tapi ada announcement dekat sini tulis gate dah tukar H. So aku kena pergi the other side. So I have to turn back. See, it's changed already. So this normally happen. The first thing when you arrive at the gate is to check whether it's still there or they changed it already. Okay, for H then we go to this way. Let's walk with me. Luckily the gate is not that far, H2. It's actually nearby this aero train. Yeah, aero train nearby this gate. Normally you need to ride into the aero train if you are going to board from the satellite building. Yeah, just want to show you that this is my favorite Starbucks whenever I'm going to fly from international departure. You see, the environment is just so cool. Yeah. Let me go through this. That's how they arrange this. So cool. So cool. Yeah. This long table. It is a pretty bad. Wow, this H gate is full with people. Normally, when you yeah, as I expected, with people from going to Dhaka. Whew, serious. Yeah, we arrived here. We arrived at H2. Confirm time. Yes, Bangalore H2. So it's good. So calling for zone C. Now I'm going forward. Zone C.
Is it a big gift?
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Allah, thank you, sir.
Terima kasih di atas kerjasama dan tuan-tuan dan puan-puan. Sekarang kami menjemputkan semua penumpang untuk menaiki pesawat. Bagi pihak Malaysia Airlines kami mengucapkan selamat jalan. Thank you for your cooperation, ladies and gentlemen. Now we invite all remaining passengers to board the aircraft. On behalf of Malaysian Airlines, we wish you a pleasant flight.
Yeah, boleh.
Masih roci. Okay, sit down.
Sit down. Thank you.
Morning, sir. Welcome aboard. Same as flight.
Morning. Pagi, flight kecil hari ni. Flight kecil hari ni. Okey.
Malam tu besar sikit.
Malam besar sikit. Okey. Flight kecil je. Arrived in Hazrat Shah Jalal Airport. Now going out for another custom scanning today with my friend here, my new friend. Yeah. So yeah, going to hotel after this. Safely arrived at 4-point suite together with my boss here. Convoy. So this one need to sign, is it?
Yes, sir. And the membership is already updated.
Updated.
Yes.
The Convoy.
Yes. Thank you for the note.
Yeah, this is my number. Hello, I'm at level 405. So yeah, room is here. Tap the key and Assalamualaikum. Pergi kerja di Dhaka, kena cross the road. Boleh tak? Kat belakang ni je. Jual map kau dia. Aduh. Wah, sudah baru. Oh, makan. Makan. Going to eat. Oh, Sultan Dine. Perut dah lapar, Now for the second time, Kacchi biryani. Here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This one also Kelantan. Kabadi lah, kabadi. Kabadi. I'm gonna edit this in my channel.
How many years I come here? How come I didn't? Maybe a year or so. We don't discuss. Should we go for the 3-person meal or the individual?
Up to you.
Do you want it with the chicken or without the chicken? Do you want the meat or do you want it with the chicken?
I want mutton meat.
You want
Something
me to?
like-
You don't want the chicken?
No chicken. No chicken.
No chicken. Okay. How much के 8 at the end? Okay, 3 at the end.
Tonight we are going to try
How much is it?
no chicken. Sultan Dine. Actually, it's in the
How hungry are you guys?
really hungry.
এটা একটু ভালো হতে
Really hungry. Of course they're hungry. My boss is fasting today. But yes. Yeah. Can.
You okay to use hand?
Yeah, I will use
এটা কি
Ini Kacchi biryani. Is it mutton? Beef.
mutton?
Wow, mutton.
Negos your intermittent fasting.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Una que then.
So we cannot. No fasting, no fasting.
Kita paling betul ni.
Udah, kita makan dulu. Cuci tangan dulu, cuci tangan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cheat day, cheat day, cheat night. Masya Allah. Wow. They just open about one year.
I always wanted to bring you, but didn't have a chance before. Today we got chance.
Last time Rashid came with Redwan.
Together with Fayaz with Ami. That night, right? Yeah.
One time I brought the sales guys here with Amir. Can I order one more? Let's order one more plate. Get more meat.
Just meat.
Wow, tengok ni betapa lembut daging dia. Masya Allah. Okay, I'm gonna focus to eat.